I recently partnered up with MSL Park Motors, and they've been good enough to give me a Skoda Kodiaq, an amazing car. Going off-road here. Going off-road here in the Phoenix Park because I cannot sit in traffic. Yeah, first of all, sitting up a bit higher helps my hamstrings, so actually on my physical health it helps, and helps me in my training, because as you get a bit older you have to mind the body. Space is very important when you have a family, and I found that out with my twins. So having a big boot, but also having the ability of just popping the boot from the key, the automatic opening, and the button press, that when you have got a hand, you're picking up a child, you can just press one button and it closes itself. So those automation, those features makes a massive difference. So when we have days like this when the sun is shining, we have the ability to kick up the last two seats. My brother Alan has 3 kids, so we can throw everyone into the boot and bring their gang out for a picnic or a trip down to the zoo. Also on days like this, I'm sweating here, it's so warm, we're so lucky to have it, and also the tinted and private glass in the back just kind of keeps the shine away from the lads. You don't need extra kind of dimmers or blinds. During the day, I suppose, with the trees above, we have a full panoramic roof here, so the lads' seats are facing back at the moment as they're small. It's just a nice another feature. Also, just coming into the 15 acres here in the park, I do just spend a lot of time myself in the car, so when I want to, I can put the foot down and give it a little bit of a kick when the road opens up, and it gets me from A to B quite nicely. Another nice feature of the car is the 9.2 inch touchscreen infotainment system for obviously radio, sat nav, all the bits and pieces that I can just keep an eye on for the lads when they're older. There's a potential SIM port in the glove compartment that actually will allow to create a Wi-Fi zone, and tablet holders in the back, so when the lads are ready we'll be able to put them up, put their Dora the Explorer, which is what they're at now, and put it up on the screen and keep them happy for long journeys down to my relations in Kerry. I think it's all these little things that actually just take the stress away from the car journey and make it as comfortable as you can, especially with a family. It's not about just me in the driver's seat anymore. I actually live down in Castleknock there in a small little estate. Loads of kids in the area, it's great. So the lads will have loads of friends when they go up, but one of the features, the reverse camera, has been a massive help. I'm on a road with kids, especially in weather like this, when the kids are running up and down the street. My mum used to always said I need eyes in the back of my head when she was younger, when we were running around. So yeah, I now have eyes in the back of my head, which helps. One that I just found out yesterday, the door edge protection system that my wife was getting out of the car in the car park, as she always does, bangs the door off the person next door. We were protected because they have a little slip that when you open the door, it comes out to cover us for situations like that, when tight spaces or car parks, to make sure that your door doesn't get dinged. So all in all, a big thumbs up from me. A car I really recommend, the Skoda Kodiaq, is an amazing family car, but also as a style for the businessman out there, and also has a bit of kick as well for those people who just like to get from A to B as quickly as possible. So really happy, it's an amazing car.